people tend to be much more timid in what they want to do in this environment.
Hmm.
What would you say to them? They have an idea, whether it's a business, an invention, in the current state of things. What would your encouragement be to them?
People think I'm crazy, and I am crazy. I'm a contrarian, Brian. So whatever's going to crash or whatever's going to do the worst, get into that now. Um, I started Homestack in the worst and Homestack is a real estate technology company. I started Homestack in the worst real estate recession of the last 50 years or 100 years, right? We sold things to people who were hurting because it was going to help them once the next cycle picked up. So, knowing that things operate on cycles, why wouldn't you get into the thing that is crashing or doing terribly? Because what's going to happen is everyone's going to go and try and get back into that same thing when it's already at the peak or just before the peak, because genius, oh, real estate's going up, let's get into real estate.